Just want to show off my jalapeno plant. Has some ash from the fires here in Northern California, but the plant's still doing great with many peppers. It still has flowers too, so I'm expecting more peppers to come. Look at that. So that's the hay I put in the bottom. Has a drip system, so it gets water automatically. Has many peppers on it. Like that. So many peppers on this jalapeno plant. It goes all the way up here. Look at that. I've been eating from this plant every single day, so I'm grateful of having it. Look at this. I like to wait till the peppers are red, but I've been eating some green ones. They're pretty spicy. Look at that. It's all this ash. All this ash these leaves have. This leaf right here, I'll probably remove it. But I'm glad I have this plant.